If you've spent any time on YouTube searching for the right solar system or inverter for an off-grid application, you've likely encountered no shortage of influencers claiming their products are the best on the market. The problem is that many of these claims aren't supported by any real engineering experience. In most cases, the people making them have no formal background in solar system design, manufacturing, or repair, nor do they possess or even begin to know how to operate the lab-grade test equipment required to verify performance under real-world conditions. They're not engineers or technicians. They're simply salesmen who are paid a commission when you click on their discount code links. Since 1998, we haven't reviewed solar products like our competitors do on YouTube. We tear them apart. Every product we consider is tested down to the component level, not just given an amateur visual once-over or a single feel-good performance test. Our test facility is equipped with state-of-the-art lab-grade instrumentation, and nothing we sell gets a free pass. If a product can't survive repeated real-world abuse, it doesn't make it into our warehouse, period. The products used in our DIY solar systems not only met our strict standards, they exceeded them. From electrical stability and thermal performance to component quality and long-term reliability, this is the kind of engineering we rarely see anymore. That's why we offer it with confidence under our DIY solar brand. No hype, no shortcuts, just proven power you can trust. We added music to this video to keep it engaging, unlike a high-frequency inverter struggling and failing to start an air conditioner. We're Iron Core. We provide heavy-duty transformer-based solar inverter systems with massive surge capacity that no high-frequency inverter on the planet can touch. Built for long life and engineered for real-world industrial performance, our systems are designed to withstand the fiercest storms. Raw power, proven durability, overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent.
We're the original DIY solar. For the past 27 years, we've offered the absolute lowest prices on the very best off-grid solar products on the planet. Nobody beats our prices, our products, or our service. Nobody. Bring us the very best off-grid solar quote that you've received and watch us blow that quote out of the water, while we provide you with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand products.
Looking for power that won't let you down. DIY solars, the talk of the town. They've got the juice, they've got the spark, lighting up dreams when the nights get dark. Best price, best service, it's what they do.
All of our systems feature higher performance, German-American engineered bifacial solar modules. And more importantly, we use only the finest inverters and batteries in our DIY off-grid solar kits. You'll never find one of those cheap, high-frequency, transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our low-frequency, transformer-based inverters damaging your home's appliances like our competitors' transformerless inverters can.